Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I finally got the BT Moto or the Bren tuning, stage 1 flasher. Comes in this pretty awesome box. The way it's packaging is pretty cool. So you see, it's kind of one of these things that you lift open. Your journey starts here. You could scan to install, or you could just go to their website under the resources tab and pull up what you need to pull up. You got to make sure that you download onto a PC. This is just a really old PC of mine that I use for things like this because they don't work on MacBooks. So all you have to do is just download really the My Genius client app, which is on their resources tab on their website. And once you update or download everything and you run it to basically install it on your computer, then you just follow the directions. A sticker, BT Moto. Everybody loves stickers. A little sticker says stage 1 plus performance calibration. Thank you for your order card. Locks per VIN. Obviously, you could only do this on one bike. Make sure you're putting the stock tune back on before you visit a dealer so they don't update it. Because if they do, then your tune gets screwed up. And a bunch of other things. And there you have it. Here's a flasher. A big old buddy. Okay. Some ports. USB. That plugs into your computer. And this is the OBD connector that plugs into your OBD connector on the bike. So let's start figuring this out. All right, just following directions here. It's basically telling you it's telling you everything to do, so it's pretty easy. Now it's telling me to switch off the bike again, which I am. I know it's hard to focus, guys, I'm sorry, but all you have to do is read the directions. Then I switched it off, pressed OK. It says protocol identify flash 0718. So I guess that is my flash, my stock map. So now it's showing to ID the bike, which you press select. Please connect. Vehicle stabilized battery. Of course I do. I have it on a battery tender right now. Switch on the dashboard once again. Starting communication. Okay, switch it off. Task successfully completed. Okay, that's it. So now I have my flash uploaded to the flasher, and I will take this and connect it back to my laptop to upload the file to BT Moto for them to resend with the map. So I sent this file last night. I uploaded it around 10:30 at night, 10:30 p.m. Los Angeles time. Bren Tuning is in Massachusetts, I believe, so they're on the opposite side of the country, so they're 3 hours ahead. I uploaded my file, which was about 7 kilobytes. It went to them, and I received the tuned file this morning around 9 a.m. or 6 a.m. my time. right? So 9 a.m. their time. So the turnaround time for getting the tuned file was, I would say, just a little under 12 hours, which is pretty impressive. So now all I have to do is download this to the flasher right here, and then go install it on the bike. All right, so once I downloaded the file onto my computer from Bren Tuning, it's this little, here with the arrow, it's this little file right here. Just put it on my desktop, plugged in the flasher. Looks like it's all, yep, USB communication activated. So now it's time to upload to My Genius. All right, back at the bike, connected the OBD connector. It says work. Again, all of this is in a how-to video on BT Moto's website and their YouTube channel. Very explained very, very well. So don't be intimidated. It's actually pretty easy. Just gotta listen to what the flasher is telling you to do. So you go to writing. There it is. R1300 tuning, full tuning, because I have a full system. The Akropovich silencer, as well as the headers. So that's the file they sent me. I told them exactly what I had, and whatever file they sent, I don't know if it's a generic file or not, based on full systems, but this is it. So select, file opening in progress. It's connected to a battery tender, no problem. Switch the dash on. Starting communication. Make sure to perform the reading. Writing, make sure to perform the vehicle. Sure. Identifying the ECU. And it's working. So just let it do its thing, and that's it. So it's going through all these multiple error codes. They say this is totally normal. Don't worry about it. It's going to freak out. It's just rewriting the ECU. So it says ECU programming. So you just got to be patient. They do say it takes a while. So, all right, it's complete. Took about maybe 15-20 minutes. Got to turn off the dash. Off. Enter. Yes, it's on a battery tender. Switch on the dash. It's on. That's what it looks like. Starting communication. It's telling to switch off. Enter. Writing ECU completed. Done. Okay. Analyzing log. Time for the finale. Let's start her up. Everything works. Start it up. So there you have it, all buttoned up, all done. I will take her for a ride when I get back from a quick business trip and let you guys know how it rides in any different video. Can't wait to ride her now and see if I even want to upgrade to the Stage 2. Till next time.